English. Grade 7.
Tape script 7.21.1.
Please come to my house and play football, Bopa.
You know I can't. I have a lot of homework.
Do you know what, Bopa? I'm sick of the new baby. I don't like him at all. He cries and cries all night. Wah, we can't sleep.
Don't be silly. You do like the new baby. He is cute.
No, he isn't. It's Sunday. On Sunday, Dad usually plays football with me, but he isn't playing football with me. He is washing the new baby's clothes. I want to play football as usual.
What about your mom? Can she play football with you?
My mom should be making lunch. We always eat a big family lunch on Sunday, but today she is sleeping. The new baby makes her feel tired.
What about your big brother? What is he doing? Can he play with you?
No, he usually plays with me and Dad, but he's making lunch because Mom is sleeping.
Well, what about your little sister? What is she doing? I know she is little, but can she play with you?
No, she usually plays with me when I'm bored. Do you know what she's doing today? She is playing with a new baby.
Look, Tara! The baby's smiling at you. He's smiling at his big brother because he loves you.
Really? You think he really loves me? Okay, I do like the new baby.
I told you.
Tape script 7.21.2.
Hi, my name is Dashi. I'm Malaysian. Today is a special day. Today, we are celebrating Thaipusam. We're Hindu. It's a full moon party. We'll carry milk up the stairs. There are a lot of people here. We're all having fun. Can you see me? I'm climbing. I'm wearing my best yellow sari. I always get a new sari for Thaipusam. A sari is a special dress.
Look at us. We're all dancing, and it's really fun. I'm Ken, and I live in Hue. Today is a special day. It's the first day of Tet in Vietnam. Tet is the name for New Year in Vietnam. I'm happy because on the first day we get an envelope with lucky money inside. I'm wearing my favorite pink dress.
Hello, my name is Sarai. That's me with my family. We're having fun today because it's Chinese New Year. We are watching the dragon dancing. It's beautiful. We are Cambodian, but we still celebrate Chinese New Year. It's because Mom is Chinese Cambodian. We always eat special food for Chinese New Year. I always get lots of fruit and new clothes. It's my favorite time of the year.
Hi, we're from Mongolia. I'm Bolamar and that's my brother. His name is Bet. Today is the first day of Tazar. That is Mongolian New Year. We call this month White Month. We are standing in the white snow. My mom is inside making white foods for lunch. We are wearing our new clothes. We always get new clothes for Tazar, and we always get lollies as well.
Tape script 7.21.3.
Something special is happening today. Mr. Sawan should be sitting in his office, but he isn't. Miss Mom should be teaching, but she isn't. Linda, Bopa, Sopal, and Dara should be studying, but they aren't. Awang should be out looking for food, but he isn't. Dara's mum should be at home making dinner, but she isn't. Everyone is outside. Everyone is happy and excited. They are watching Awang's egg. The egg is moving. Something special is happening today.